Hi everyone, welcome back to Crypto Basics. In today's video, we are going to be learning how you can change your currency on Coin98. So in order to change your default currency to something else on your wallet on Coin98, first of all, go ahead and make sure that you open up your Coin98 Wallet extension or open up the app on your mobile devices. Either way, once you're inside your wallet, go ahead and click on this little hamburger menu at the top right hand corner. This will pop open the settings menu where you'll need to click on change currency. From the list of available currencies, choose one and you will be able to change your currency on your Coin98 wallet. As you can see now, my currency has been changed to the chosen one. You can always get back to the same page and change your currency according to your preference. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Goodbye till then.